Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you're watching FMA makeup tutorials. Welcome back guys. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and this video is going to be about some mad look. Yes, so without wasting time, let's jump into the video and let's get started. So here I am, and first we'll be starting with the foundation given to me by Miss Jayanti Selvan. Hello Jayanti, thank you for the foundation. So this foundation is some herbal foundation which wanted me to try this foundation, so I have tried it for her. It says Just Herb Pure Bespoke Ayurvedic Foundation. So let's begin it with applying it all over our skin and then blending it with this beautiful cute little beauty blender. It's damp and we are going to spread it on the entire face. After that we move on to the concealer, and for that I'm using MAC Studio Fix NC35. Spreading it all over where I want my concealer to be, that is under my eyes, a little bit on my nose, my forehead. Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Earth and placing it right on the hollows of my cheek, below my lips, to just a little bit on my jawline and a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on the sides of my nose. And now we begin to blend this as well to perfection. After this, we conclude the entire face with some beautiful Ben Nye banana powder, and I am going to use a beautiful tapered brush to just set everything in its place by the powder. Placing it right below my eyes and around my mouth, I'm sealing the beautiful deal with the entire setting powder. Now to begin with, we are going to jump in the Juvia's Place palette called Masquerade Mini Palette, and it has this beautiful energetic colors to play with, and we are going to do something mad today. I am completely clueless, but I really want to do something extravagant. So first we are going to dip in this beautiful color called Zulu and directly place it above our crease brin. Now this doesn't have any light transition shade, so I'm digging in the MAC blusher palette and I'm going for this shade right here and using it to further blend to perfection. Now I'm going to cut my eyelid with the same foundation which Jayanti has given me. It's a herbal foundation. It's really nice after the application. I like it, and I'm going to cut my crease with that foundation. Now dipping in the first color called Giza or Giza, I don't know the name, but it's a pearly white color. Spreading it only in the first 1/4 of my eye, and then I'm going to go in Bori. Bori is a beautiful magnetic pink color, and I'm going to place it right in the center of my eye and ending the entire look with Casablanca. That's a beautiful earthy potty brown sparkly color. And now I know it looks a little bit weird, but we are going to fix it. Do not worry. I'm going to use a brown pencil to line my upper line where we have created the crease, and I'm going to blend it with a pointed blending brush, or you can say a pencil brush. Yeah. Now to conclude this, we are going to pull up an extra long wing with a pen liner by MAC, and here I pull the wing, which is large. Now we are going to go in Essence white liner. Yeah, and we are going to elongate our tear ducts a little bit. Now I don't know the brand of this pencil, but it's a white kohl pencil which I'm going to fill in the entire waterline with, and I'm going to make my eyes look much bigger than what they are. Now to create more depth, I'm using the same brown pencil to line the outer corner of my eyes till the end. To this look, I am going in the shade called Dahlia, that is a blue color which has no link to this look, but we are going to add in the lower lash line. Also, the shade Giza goes on the brow bone for highlight. So I'm going to first fill in a little bit of my center portion of the eyebrows with Burkina, that is a brown color, very dark brown color, and then I'm going to apply some Dahlia on the end of my eyebrow and some Bori on the front of my eyebrow. And now this is a little mad, as I said. Now goes on some mascara, and then we pop on some fake lashes. So here we complete our eyes, and we are going to go straight to the blush, and for that I'm going to use the MAC blusher palette. For the highlight, I'm going to go in this unicorn palette right here, going in the shade called Rainbow Unicorn and Pink Halo. To pop on some Video Star from Huda Beauty on the entire lip. Yes, that's nothing mad, but to make it mad, we are taking some Dahlia and placing it in the center of the lip and blending that shade with Bori with the help of a brush on the entire lip. I hope that you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Do not forget to hit here and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Guys, this was it for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye to all you.